3 of the 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at our competitors for tonight.
The unstoppable 100 proof racing with Chapman behind the wheel, driving that mighty Purgeinator, going for it again tonight. Can they succeed in another win? And up again on the track is Straight Pipes Racing, all the way from Australia. This time they're in one of my favourites, the 64 Chevy Impala. Good luck, gentlemen.
Let the hot rods begin. Race 1. Chapman films of that Purgeinator for 100 proof of racing.
Look at the time in this race, ladies and gentlemen. An 8.05 new track record on MWR.
Race 2. Straight Pipes Racing in the 64 Impala.
Nice racing, Straight Pipes, all squared, out of race 2.
Race 3. Winner, Chapman films in the Purgeinator for 100 proof of racing.
Another colossal battle by the Purgeinator in the 64. There he is. Let's get a tow truck onto him and get him back up to the start gate.
Race 4. Winner, Chapman films in that Purgeinator.
Well, Chapman Films and 100 proof racing do it again in that mighty bone shaker, the Purgeinator. There they are, almost up the top. They've got 3 in a row, and NZ still hold the top position. What a sensational race tonight has been. The bone shaker, the Purgeinator, always dominating the track again. It seems to sit really well on this fat track and handles the grooves and just picks the line perfectly. Chapman behind the wheel and they get their first win. 64 Impala, not too sure what's happening there. Heading into race 2, and you can see it's a bit of a slow start for the 64 Impala. However, he just takes the lead going into turn 1. The bone shaker, the Purgeinator, just can't hack it anymore. He's gone. And it's a 64 Impala with Straight Pipes behind the wheel. And one of my all-time favourites, the 64 Chevy Impala. If you're into building customs, get one of these and modify it. This would be a ripper on Mount Western Raceway. This is race 3, and it's really anyone's race here. The 64 Impala is out in front, no problems here. The bone shaker, the Purgeinator's struggling, not too sure what's happening. The 64 spins out. Check this little hit out. Whack! Just flips him over, and the Purgeinator's across the line for 100 proof racing. I love this style of racing on MWR. We've raced a lot of bone shakers here on the track, and this Purgeinator just seems to sit and just handle this fat track like I've never seen before. He slides out of turn 1 here and he just floors it top gear, and the 64 Impala is just gone. Look at that swing out of turn 2. I love this no-holds-barred racing with Chapman behind the wheels for 100 proof racing. Congratulations, you get your 3rd win in a row, and a very late charge, by the way, from the 64 Impala. Straight Pipes Racing will see you again on Mount Western Raceway in another hot rod soon. Are we witnessing the champion of hot rods for the 2020 right here? 100 proof racing with Chapman Films behind the wheel. There he is. He's holding that cup up and he's saying we've done 3 in a row. Watch out, everyone else. We have had some unbelievable racing since around about August. I think that's when I launched the very first race. There's been so many I forget now. However, I need to take a week off, guys, and the reason is when I started to build Mount Western Raceway, I wasn't too sure what I was going to cover it in, so I went down to Bunnings, which is a local hardware store, and bought this fake grass. It was cheap. I got it home, and man, it was toxic. I could not put it in the room. I had to sit outside for a week just to get rid of this toxic odour that was just coming out of this grass. And I bought a lot of grass, by the way. The room that MWR is in is where I shoot and also edit, so I spend a lot of time in here, and this toxicity coming out of this grass, it has to go, man. I've been trying to do it for some time, and I've just gone, you know what? This is the week that it's going to happen. So we're going to lose 1 week for racing. I do apologise to everyone that has subbed and comments, and hey, it just has to happen. Going forward, we have custom starting soon, so I want things to be in place. I'm going to replace all this green grass with some kind of diorama. Not immediately. It's going to take a long time. As you know, if you do build tracks and dioramas, it just takes ages, hey? So just bear with me, dudes. It's only just 1 week after round 33, and we'll be back racing on that Monday. So thanks for watching, thanks for subbing, thanks for commenting, and I'll see you soon without fake grass. Hey, cheers.